The hustle is real. Politics and business. You know me, I love a good hustle. And let me tell you, politics, it's a gold mine. Think about it. Elections are high stakes, high pressure, and everyone needs an edge. That's where you come in. Entrepreneurs, this is your time. People need your skills. They need your hustle. Don't believe me? Campaigns need websites, social media, videos, the works. They need strategists, marketers, and creatives. This isn't just about politics, it's about business. It's about seeing an opportunity and seizing it. It's about providing value and getting paid for it. So, how do you tap into this political money-making machine? Let's break it down. Cashing in. Consulting for candidates. Candidates need guidance. They need experts. That's you. Position yourself as a consultant. Are you a social media whiz? Offer social media strategy. Are you a public speaking guru? Coach candidates on their delivery. Find your niche and own it. Build a portfolio. Showcase your expertise. Then, reach out to campaigns. Network, build relationships, and land those clients. Remember, you're selling your expertise. Price yourself accordingly. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Merch madness. Selling the political dream. Everyone loves swag, right? T-shirts, hats, buttons, stickers, you name it. Political merchandise is a huge market. Design eye-catching merch that resonates with voters. Think beyond the basics. Get creative. Offer unique items that people actually want. Set up an online store. Use social media to promote your products. Target specific demographics and interests. The key here is volume. You need to move product, offer discounts, run promotions, and get your merch in the hands of voters. Content is king. Owning the narrative. Content is everything in today's world, and political campaigns are no different. They need compelling content that engages voters. This is where you come in. Offer your writing, video editing, graphic design, or animation skills. Create shareable content that tells a story. Think about the platform. Optimize for social media. Use strong visuals. Keep it concise. Grab attention. Remember, content is about more than just words or images. It's about crafting a narrative. It's about shaping the conversation. Digital domination. Winning the online war. The internet is the new battleground for political campaigns. Candidates need a strong online presence to win. Offer your digital marketing skills. Run targeted ad campaigns. Manage social media accounts. Optimize websites for search engines. Data is key here. Track your metrics. Analyze the results. Refine your strategies. Your goal is to reach the right voters with the right message at the right time. Remember, digital marketing is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve. Learn new platforms. Experiment with new tactics. Your call to action. Time to hustle. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and make them. Network, build relationships, and pitch your services. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hustle-driven content. And don't forget to check out my website, leroyabrown.ca, for more business insights.